luxurious people take medicine because their body is in a survival mode.
I want to
And
talk.
go and remarry with so many people.
No.
Of course.
No, sir.
Yeah, no, of course. Go and enjoy your life with so many
No,
girls.
sir.
Yes.
Then why the number of widow women are increasing in common people?
You sacrifice, we sacrifice for family members, but you guys, luxurious people, they sacrifice their family.
Saying,
Luxury people cannot create the social media apps. How they
sir,
can luxury?
I am saying, you are as a luxurious people, your money is coming from somewhere also. As our money is coming from our managers and our HRs and our owners, your money is also coming from common people.
Why not? We.
So you are also earning.
It's like
You are not satisfied with one wife, you want to marry with as many girls as you want. What are you talking about? That's
you are
why I said,
promoting.
That's why we common people, we sacrifice for family, but you sacrifice your family. Your whole entire family. What are you talking about?
For refutation today. Just blame, and make a person get out from here because he will be speaking wrong maybe. This team is supporting Common Life. They have been supporting since yesterday. And the gussa, the jhagada, the lafada, the tana, everything that we noticed yesterday, it was unbearable. Right? But the polite manner, the humble words, sentences by luxurious people we have been noticing since yesterday, it is absolutely appreciable. Do you think so? Because somehow, of course, can be repeated, no problem. It was kind of random talk, so you spoke. No, I spoke just like that only. Maybe I'll be biased only to make you speak, guys. So, can we start now? Yes. Give opportunity to everybody and raise hand. I will permit you to speak if you really have to speak. Three people, four people should not speak together. I want one person to make them feel to live a luxurious life, and they have been working hard to live a luxurious life, but they do not understand the importance and indispensability of luxurious life. I think you guys need to motivate them. They're lazy people. They're not working hard because they don't want to live luxurious life. They are common, they will remain common. Please motivate them to live a luxurious life. Who would like to?
Today's topic is luxurious life versus common life.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. There is one idiom that is called break the ice. Yes. Right? Yes. Break the ice means to start the conversation with enthusiasm. So whenever in any auditorium, if you get chance to start, then your starting should be very enthusiastically. Just like, good morning everybody. So my name is Nawazis. Today I'm going to talk about luxurious life. It should be like that. Okay. Please.
Hello everybody. Good morning everybody. Good morning sir.
Good morning.
This is Muhammad Nawazish, and now today I would like to discuss on the topic of luxurious life versus common life.
Absolutely yes.
Dear brother and sister, luxurious life is the best life. Luxurious life is the great life. One who survives luxurious life and one who leads luxurious life, he is considered as VIP person. They have security guard, they have excessiveness of money, and they have excessiveness of wealth. They have most money.
Absolutely yes.
And luxurious person can do anywhere, can expend money. Luxurious person can buy
whatever he wants to buy.
yes.
Whatever he wants to buy.
Whatever he want to buy.
Yes.
Luxurious person can visit anywhere.
Yes.
Can visit Taj Mahal easily.
Of course, on the moon he can travel. Of
Yes.
course.
Yes, luxurious person can go to moon easily, go to space easily, and luxurious person can go to Dubai for entertaining.
But the
Yes.
common people cannot go to Charbagh railway station
But-
also.
Yes, but common people don't do this. But common people don't achieve this. But luxurious person can get higher education. Yeah. Luxurious person can acquire knowledge in VIP college, in VIP university like America and Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Luxurious person can go VIP hospital, and luxurious person can enter his family in good hospital easily. But common people cannot do
Of
this.
course, yes.
Yes.
I mean, yes.
That is my point. Sir.
Have you done, sir?
Yes, sir.
Music. So first of all, he mentioned about security. Oh my God. Whenever you travel, people secure you. But the common people, monkey loots you. Your banana is not safe.
Yes, sir.
Monkey snatches your banana. How sasta you are, guys. Can you please answer everything?
First, thank you so much, everyone. First of all, I would like to refute his one point. It says luxurious people can survive. What do you mean by survive? Means if you are living a luxurious life, how do you want to survive? It means you are not living a luxurious life.
Absolutely, yes.
You are surviving. And then one thing you said, security. If you are going everywhere with security, you mean you are afraid of your life. Yes. Why do you need security? You are afraid of being killed. You are afraid of being assassinated. We are free. There is one sentence. Live free, live long. And one thing, luxurious people, we can go anywhere. We don't have any liabilities. You guys have liabilities. You guys have to pay to 20 people. Your security guard, you have to take care about your fighter jet, private jet, everything. We don't have any liabilities. We can go everywhere, wherever we want to. We can go freely. Really? That's the beauty of common people, yes. And then you said that we can get the admission in Harvard University or whatever. You guys get the admission in a Harvard University paying so much money. We get the university, get the admission in university with the knowledge. We work hard to get the knowledge. We get scholarship.
We are Ambedkar's example.
Yes, there's we too can buy clothes. We don't have to peacock ourselves. Common people, we don't have to peacock. We don't have to show off. We are free. We don't have to be worried about brand, this, that. So that's my answer.
Survive means to lead life, right?
No.
If you are living a luxurious life, why do you have to survive?
Survive.
You don't have.
Survive means you just.
worry about survival.
Live their life nicely, sir.
Nicely.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you, sir. Now I am going to talk about common life versus luxurious life. I support common life because I want to live peacefully and happiness. Peacefully. Because I saw lots of rich people whenever they want to go sleep, they have to take medicine
Right.
for sleeping and for resting. And we are the common people, we don't need any medicine to take rest for sleeping. And many people chase luxurious life. They think it brings
थोड़ा मुस्कुरा के
satisfaction.
बोलिए, मुस्कुरा के. Smile, please.
It brings satisfaction.
Smile, please.
But after a point, it brings stress, competition, and fear of losing wealth, and lack of genuine relationship. So genuine
Common
relationship.
people have common point, guys. Come on. Exactly. And they are having to see copy and notebook and everything.
No,
Come
I
on.
just watching my point.
Luxurious point, please. Come on.
So I support common life. Okay.
What is the core message of yours?
Core message is I want peace and happiness. I don't want medicine for sleeping and resting.
Good morning, sir. I'm appreciate to him because
I am appreciating. I appreciate.
appreciate.
I appreciate him.
I'm appreciating to him. So he's talking about the peaceful life. The common people always sacrifice always. Nobody understand her emotions. You need to understand he's sacrificing the relationship, he's sacrificing the family, he's sacrificing the education, he's sacrificing the career. He every time sacrificing. That is the harsh reality in our life.
I told about medicine.
He told about medicines. I want to say, in our luxurious life, we have desires, so we can achieve. But in common people cannot.
What?
We can sleep in a very good because we have.
No.
We have a very good sofa. We can sleep.
You have
easily.
sofa, but you cannot easily sleep. That's why you take medicine, na?
Good morning, sir. And good morning, everybody. As Barkat Bhai said that rich people, as we are rich, as you know, that we need medicine to sleep. Because I think that you are absolutely wrong. We need medicine to sleep because we have to win tomorrow. Okay? And you don't have fear to win tomorrow because you will sleep at 10 p.m. You will get up at 10 a.m. Same routine every day. That's why we are taking medicine because tomorrow we have fear that tomorrow I have to fight the life, I have to fight for the situation, and then I have to get up for that. That's why we are taking medicine.
Sorry, you don't
How
take
the hell are you
medicine
saying
for.
that we are taking medicine?
You don't take medicine for win. Okay, you take medicine only for sleeping, rest.
Yes.
You
We take medicine to sleep because we have to get up soon. Okay. We
No,
don't
no,
want
sir,
to.
no.
We don't want to. We don't want to see dreams at the time of sleeping. We want to dream at the time of waking.
Excuse me, GK. I want for. Let's listen to him first. Let's listen to him. Hey, bhai. Wait 1 second. Yeah. Come on.
Why are you whispering?
Common people, if he is empty, he cannot get married because he doesn't have money. If a luxurious person doesn't have his both legs or hands, he can get
Still
married.
he can marry.
Yes, sir. It's reality, sir.
No, you said about remarry. Try to understand that. Divorce and remarry.
Sir, it's
Nation will never forgive you.
sir.
Whole nation will not forgive you. You are speaking in front of camera. Nation will. You must be jailed.
Sir,
You are promoting here. Remarry here. Remarry.
sir,
How many wives do you need?
sir. Can I answer, sir?
No, let him answer first of all.
Sir.
Remarry.
Sir, in common society, if a girl or a boy, he is not satisfied with his marriage partner. Marriage partner.
What? Oh!
Sir.
Oh my God! Marriage is
Sir.
for satisfaction.
Sir,
Marriage
he
is for
not
satisfaction.
Sir,
Oh my
It
God!
happened. It's reality. It's happened.
Marriage is for satisfaction.
Sir,
Guys,
happened.
make him out.
Sir,
Take him out.
and another thing is, then they are facing domestic violence at that time.
Guys,
I wanna first of all talk about the medicine, okay? He said luxurious people take medicine because their body is in a survival mode. They cannot get up. They may die any time. That's the reason he said they need to take medicine. They cannot sleep. They are so much greedy for money all the time they have to worry about. And then common people do drink. We don't drink. There is one thing. Okay, so he said we sacrifice for family, but you guys sacrifice your family. We sacrifice for family members, but you guys, luxurious people, they sacrifice their family. They do not have heart. They are emotionless. They sacrifice their family. They do not worry about. And you are talking about we take tobacco. No, we don't. You guys take cocaine, drugs, nicotine. This is more dangerous than tobacco. Okay? And you were talking about marry. What kind of life are you promoting? It means you are not satisfied with one wife. You want to marry with as many girls as you want. What are you talking about? That's
you are promoting.
That's why we common people, we sacrifice for family. But you sacrifice your family. Your whole entire family. What are you talking about?
You are asking about marriage.
Listen.
why did you say that you can marry with so many people?
I didn't say so many people. You can get married.
He said remarried.
Sir, I said you can get remarried. Sir, I said you can get remarried. Sir, You are spreading toxic relationship. If a person is not happy with his partner, he will have to get divorced. He will have to get divorced.
You guys create toxicity in the relationship because you have a money. Everything. You can't sacrifice for family.
Giving everyone
You
equal
are ready to
chances. We
sacrifice
are
your
giving
family.
everyone equal
What?
chances. If you are not happy, you get divorced and get remarried. But you are closing the door of remarrying. You are closing that door.
So, you are ready to sacrifice your family because of happiness. What kind of life do you want to live? What are you saying?
You want to say if a person is not happy, he doesn't have the happiness, then he will have to face all the difficulties all by himself for his family's sake. He will sacrifice himself for his family's sake. What about his happiness?
I want to understand the motive of remarrying first of all.
So,
Sir, that's why I said, sir, they cannot sacrifice. They are ready to sacrifice their family members, their wife, but they are not ready to sacrifice.
His motive actually.
sir,
What was
my
the
motive behind this is if a person, sir, there are a lot of people who doesn't, who is not really happy with his partner. Sir, at that time, he will have to get divorced.
Okay, fine. Okay, so they can easily, like luxurious people can easily get divorced, right?
Sir,
You wanna say that, no?
Sir,
Their marriage depends on money. Their marriage depends on money. They have money. He's saying we can remarry
A girl
anytime.
can misuse as well for alimony.
Of course, they do.
Talk about only boy. I said if both
both,
girl and boy, both can,
A girl
sir.
can misuse as well. In the name of alimony, she can divorce again and again.
Their relationship depends on money. They are heartless, emotionless, listless. Yes. They don't have heart.
Can I add, sir?
And one more thing, sir. Sir, one more thing.
No, it is his point.
Sir, one more thing. I would say he was saying that common people cannot get married if they don't have. We can get married. We don't have to show off with so many bands, so many people. We can go to temple, masjid, and marry easily. We can go to temple. We can go to court. What? Huh?
Ask him, do you want to marry?
Do you want to marry? Come with me.
Sir.
Sir.
Then why? When they.
You are talking, it's not reality. If you go to any village, you will see a lot of people who are over 30, 40, because they do not have job, they do not have married. That's why they didn't get married.
Of course they do get married. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
If they have a job, they easily get married.
If
they don't have to
job,
show up.
money,
Because our marriage do not depend on money.
Talking about job.
And what are you talking about? Satisfaction.
Oh my God, yes.
Satisfaction. You are not satisfied with your wife. What kind of talking? You are promoting vulgarity, nudity. What are you promoting? You just made a derogatory comment. You made a derogatory comment. You are because you are talking about satisfaction in the because you are not ready to sacrifice.
I didn't think.
In a relationship, both have, of course. In a relationship, it's all about sacrifice.
Sir, in common people and in luxurious people, it depends. It will be the mutual decision. It not depends on luxurious in common people. If in common people they are not satisfied, they have the right to separate. And if in luxurious people, if they are not satisfied, they have right to get separate.
That's what he's saying.
So how can it? What is the point in that?
He's talking about satisfaction.
Satisfaction in the terms of connection, emotion.
So it not come in common people.
Common people, you know what common people used to, they have to go to court kacheri every day for get
Luxurious people don't go court kacheri and all in this.
Yeah.
You are gonna get divorced illegally.
If my partner is having a toxic relationship with me, will I bear her?
Also, it means you will get divorced illegally and kill her.
You will not, even you common people will not bear your partner like that.
You rich people do not follow the law. See, you are saying we will get divorced illegally. You said it. You said it.
Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, Revan.
Thank you, sir, giving this great opportunity for sharing my thought about between luxury life and common life. Yeah, in country need development, luxury people can development to country because common people always busy with protest, religion, this kind of things, lots of things, and social media using, scrolling time, waste of time. And if there is any film director, film actor, and any film release, they are protesting in theaters only for wasting time. Okay. And one more thing, they are always waiting for opportunity. They don't have mindset to create more opportunities. And no startups, no business, so no kind of art how country will be developed. Another one, we are luxury people always to serve country because we have money to serve the country, and we think all about that. And these kind of things done by only luxury people. Yes, sir. In other countries, you can see there is the education. They are providing education, lots of things because of their luxury life. In India, we are protesting about Hindu, Muslim, only for done by only common people. Yes, always. Because luxury people don't have time to spend with this kind of things. Yeah, that is my point, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I will counter this question. My friend Revant. Common people doesn't having so much money, so that's why he doesn't come in the contribute to development of our country. Actually, sir, in our primary sector, more than the people who are income from farmer. Okay. Yeah.
No, it
And no.
Yes, you can say your opinion.
Before 1920, we cannot develop by the primary sector and tertiary sector. We can develop are the farmers, and can eat our vegetables and wheats, rice from our farmers. They spend most of the time their field, and that's why we are here to talk about the demerits of the common peoples. And secondly, my friend Karna, he shows one screen that he took their money because his friend was borrowed before 2,000 rupees, and that's why when he call him, he come in trouble, and he took 2 and 5 minutes. Maybe why not?
Not at all. In reality, in common people friends, I have before 5 friends.
Okay, tell me one thing.
I took money 500 rupees.
Why Karna is not calling him to
why
their
you
parents?
took my money? You didn't give friendship cut.
Raman sir.
In reality, sir. Reality. 500 rupees. They are torturing about just 500 rupees because of common mindset that like that. I don't have real friends. Just I have one friend. Now, 5 friends already gone because
Why
of money.
he was not calling him to their parents? Why he was not means faith on their parents?
No. He calling for. She mentioned that rule friendship. That's why he called. Yeah. She mentioned that friendship. That's why he called to friends.
Good morning, my friends.
Yes.
Revan sir said that startup can also always started by the luxurious people. But in India, we see so many startups. Welltalk is also a startup. Of course, startup. But you were not luxurious when you started.
KFC start for because of becoming luxury.
Yeah.
Sir, KFC starting the business becoming luxury. That's why you want to start.
Complete.
Of course.
Don't interrupt.
Why not?
Please don't interrupt. Let me complete. When you started, you also mentioned in your so many videos. I was very poor. Very common people. And Reliance, that is the India's biggest company. That is started by the Dhirubhai Ambani. That was the startup, and that time he was also a common people, and he worked as a labor on the petrol pumps. So many and MBA Chaiwala we have. That is who was also a common people. Then he started. So you can't say that startup comes from the luxurious people. Startup always comes from the common people.
First thing I want to say that after, sir, wait. After startup, they are coming to become luxury. Why they cannot back to common people?
What is the ultimate purpose?
What is the meaning
You
of purpose
said
of common
startup
people?
started. He said startup started by the luxurious people.
startup,
I
if you-
counter this
wait.
question.
If
Startup
I-
always started by
Wait.
the common people.
If I common
If
people, I have business.
in future, I start my own startup.
If I have startup,
After
yes.
10 years, 16 years, I have so much money. It is my decision. How can I spend?
If you
is
have
not any
startup,
other's
wait,
decision.
let me complete. Let me complete. If you
my
have,
decision, na?
if you have startup idea, you depending on other person. I have startup idea. I have money.
It
I
means
can instantly can.
Dhirubhai Ambani at that time depends on the other person.
No, not at all. Yeah, I'm
You
luxury.
said
Why
it.
I'm not depending on the other person?
I know. I read them very well.
Not at all. That's why
I like them.
India country are not developing still. But why they are startups, sir? Why they are become to startup? Because they
No,
want to
you-
luxury life. That's why they are starting luxury life.
So becoming luxurious is not very bad. Startup started by the
Sir, I
luxurious.
told that
Yes.
no startups, no business. They are always waiting for opportunities.
So I counter it.
Yes, common.
I counter
They
it.
are still their mindset in only for working 9 to 5 job. Only work,
You
work,
can't
work.
say it. You can't say it. You can't
And
say it.
business people create
so
more
many
opportunities
startups,
to them.
95% startups comes from the common people. So how can you say their mindset is 9 to 5 job?
99.9% people
Sir,
actually they
Come
9
from
to
the
5
common
jobs, sir.
people.
9 to 5 job.
95. I also said that.
9 to 5 they do job only, right?
Yeah, job.
99%, okay. But 90,
Salary oriented.
okay,
Always can-
95%
don't
startups
have-
come from the common people. No, that is no topic. That is no topic. But the startup always comes from the common people.
But because of
In
purpose,
all
what
over
I
world,
will ask that,
not
yes,
only in India, in all over world.
I will-
Facebook is the,
I will asking that startup business comes from, you told like common people. Yes, I also some kind of things.
agree?
But I agree that. But some kind of this, but their purpose to become, they want to luxury life. If there is the no purpose, how they are not living to common life.
As Dolly Chaiwala, sir, I am just asking one question. He is a common people, but he never thought about. First, listen. He was a common people, but I think he is a skilled person, and he knows how to sell. He know how to advertise.
No, sir.
Sir.
They are
I
common
am
people
saying-
selling
I
only
am
gel
saying
and
he
surf
never
excel only in
dreamed
there.
that he will become luxurious.
Sir, making a,
Is Dolly Chaiwala ever dreamed that I will become luxurious? It is his luck.
And who the create the platform? Luxury people create the social media.
And
That's
if-
why they
if-
are promoting. If there is no
you
social
are-
media,
you are
if there
saying-
luxury people cannot create the social media apps, how they
Sir,
can luxury?
I am saying, you are as a luxurious people, your money is coming from somewhere also. As our money is coming from our managers and our HRs and our owners, your money is also coming from your more upper.
From common people, right?
From common people.
Why not?
So you are also earning.
It's like internal. It's like need to business.
You
They
are-
can depend
so
on public.
You
not
need
only-
to. We need to. We
But
are working.
Yes,
So we
I will
are
depend.
earning.
I will depending on public because I want to give to common people salaries. That's why I will depending on my public. Yeah, of
And,
course. Why not?
From where you are earning? Sir, that's why I am saying. They
And
are
one more,
saying that.
second question. Second one, I already asked. Why common
I am saying.
common people always doing
I'm
protest?
not talking about
Common-
money making, sir. I am talking about. He's saying that most of the people are doing 9 to 5 job.
Yes, of course.
They are serving their qualities, skills, and all over the things. In the return, they.
Only for they need to survey. They will only for survey family, not for country. Try to understand, ma'am. Business people, business, they need to only survey their family. No, sir, I am working for 9 to 5 job. No. I am working for 9 to 5 job because of I need to survey my family. Because they
Soldiers are
depending on
also
me. They are
working
depending-
on the borders.
In luxury people, they have to service the country also. One more thing, protest, sir. Protest always doing common peoples.
Protest is always done by
Common peoples.
I'm going to tell you about protest, right? Who creates this?
of course
No, not. No.
Guys,
Luxury.
guys,
No.
can you ever see
Listen.
luxury people doing any protest? Common
No.
people always doing protest.
No.
Anywhere
But-
can go.
but-
Religion, caste problem.
But due to this protest, who is behind this? Who is behind this?
Common people.
No, not common people.
behind. Why?
Not common people. No. You, no. They are,
Common
no.
always-
They are your men. You have paid for this,
Sir, if I
and
give
you
biryani
made
and
this
2000,
scenario.
they can
You
vote.
made this scenario to make a fame.
What is this
You
kind
made
of-
this.
They don't have
You made
ethics.
this.
Sir, if I give biryani 2000 rupees, they can vote. No rules, no ethics, no morals. Common people.
No.
Of
Luxury.
course,
No.
Reality happens.
Luxury people love. Luxury people love.
Yes.
Yes, luxury people love only money, and he does
If I give
the people
sir,
who loves money.
Sir,
we
if I give-
always try to just listen. We always try to value whatever I have. I no need to sell ourselves for voting. For voting.
we are not actually- if I-
these kinds of
if I give-
these kinds of scenario, these kinds of thoughts have the luxury people.
No, if I give two crore rupees, people behind me, they are doing protest. I will buy the people. But you don't have more.
No.
Don't have ethics.
No.
Because don't. No. Because
Yes,
because
you are
common people-
you are just trying to
Because
you are just trying to get a
luxury
fame.
people-
You are just trying to get a
luxury
fame, and you
people
behave
cannot go
cruelly
to any
to the
protest
people.
because
You're just trying to, and you talk about wasting time.
Yes.
What kind of time we are wasting? Tell me.
Wasting time too much of scrolling on social media.
No.
One worst thing.
And you.
We are, sir.
No, not at all.
Yes, luxury people
No,
always.
not at all. We are not at all. We are the common people.
Sir,
And
luxury
common life
people always creators,
listen,
sir.
common
Always
life
always
teaches.
consumers.
Common life teaches.
महिला बैठी है सामने. Yeah. Come on, relax. Yeah.
We do not waste our time. We common life teaches. That means we can say that resilience, and
कच्चा बादाम.
What's katta bada?
no.
Urfi Javed. To watch, Urfi Javed kind of video, you are saying resilience.
No, not this. We are wasting our time to do
We are
anything.
luxury people,
We are wasting our
always.
time to build our character. You
Urfi Javed.
no.
We are-
No. I'm not talking about this. We just try to waste our time to do something new. To do some, not we are wasting time to scrolling the reels,
Of course,
right?
in reality-
No, not this
Come on.
reality. No. This is
In
not
reality,
reality.
dear, come on,
Because
think of the reality. Lots of
because
people
common
spending
life
time watching films,
because
watching
common life
Netflix,
teaches
always
common
they are
life
waiting-
teaches to do a struggle, right?
They are-
To do a struggle.
they are
So we do
They are
not
wasting
waste our time.
They are wasting time for also someone.
No.
They
You
cannot
are
do
you are luxury people. You depend on the only comfort. With money.
Of course.
Only comfort.
Of course, why not?
Comfort.
course. Why are you want to do hard work?
Comfort, that means artificial happiness.
No.
Artificial.
So, as you mentioned that comfort zone. So I need to why I don't do hard work? I can hire people. They can work. Why I do hard work? I am very happy. Be peaceful. I can go anywhere.
Okay, fine.
Peaceful life.
Ashish, all in all, he wants to say that the common people use social media to watch unnecessary videos, but we luxurious people make money by social media, but you people watch Urfi Javed, come on.
No, sir, it's not like that. Luxurious people has more time to watch, and that's why they promote the social media and vulgarity. Sometimes they shows off. And you were talking about what was your point? The
Protest.
protest. It's not like that. If you are having protesters that you bought, it means you are doing illegal things and you should be jailed, I think.
Yes.
Yes. For this, no. If he says no. He says he will pay 100 rupees and maybe he will be paying for chaos, for mobs, for damaging the public society. He can pay if he has money, so much money. You said I will give 2 crore rupees and they will do anything for us.
course,
They
why
will
not?
protest for me.
In reality, they are doing right. Reality.
In the reality,
Talk about the opportunity.
Opportunity.
They also talk about the opportunity.
When he was common person, he used to go in that.
Yes, sir. I am common person. I will go because I need money. 2,000 rupees biryani packet. Okay.
and one thing is here.
I am luxury people. I cannot go to other person.
If I earn so much money, I would like to become rich by money only. I would not like to become luxurious. I would not show off myself. Okay, there is a difference between being rich and being luxurious. Luxurious people shows off.
What is uses of your country? What
If-
you are doing for country? You are
Don't
living
you think-
country. What are you doing for country?
What I am
Tell me
doing
that.
for country?
Yes.
You took
I
loan.
you
will-
think
we
that-
are-
Took loan and escaped from the
No.
country. You can say
It's the common-
You are so much greedy and selfish. That's why you shows off.
So
you show off
I have
that.
money. I show off. Why not? What's
Being
wrong
a-
that?
This is arrogance. I have money.
Not
I
at
can
all.
show
Who
off.
told that? I have money. I show off because money.
You are emotionless here, I think. And you are saying that common people always chase. I think luxurious people also chase. They chase more luxuriness. Don't you think?
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, I want to talk about mindset of common people. The family.
Oh my God, I know what you will say.
The family of common people. If my parents couldn't fulfill their desire, they will pressurize me to fulfill their desire. Okay, yes,
They did not understand. They did not understand. Come on, feel this. Feel this. Relate it with your life. Relate this with your life.
If my parents wanted to become doctor, they couldn't. Now they will say that, my child, please you become doctor. And because
Not
of that,
you become, you have to.
you have to become doctor. You have to become doctor. And because of that, I will go to anywhere, AIMS and all, and I will feel pressure that I have pressure of my family, I have pressure of my sister's marriage, I have pressure of my younger brother, I have pressure of younger brother study, and I have pressure of fulfilling desire of my family.
Oh my God.
And because of that, most of the common people, children are attempting suicide.
Oh my.
And we rich people never force our child.
Yes.
We say, go and fulfill your desire. Go and achieve your aim.
Yes.
And I want to
And
talk
go and remarry with so many people.
No.
Of course.
No, sir.
Yes. No, of course. Go and enjoy your life with so many
No,
girls.
sir.
Yes.
Then why the number of widow women are increasing in common people?
Yes.
Huh? Women are getting easy?
Sir, I don't want to go on that. I don't want to.
Okay. Why you complete.
Okay.
Point to be noted. You
The
have to
second,
answer. Yeah.
the second thing is zone. Zone of common people.
Zone of common.
Zone. Sir, in common people zone, they used to discuss about other society, that what is going in his house, what is going in his house. कल जो है बारात जाना है, परसों जो भंडारे पे जाना है, like that. Okay.
बाटी चोखा मर जाएंगे लोग. Exactly. या पूरी सब्जी खा
But
रहे
we,
तो hungry. Common people are very peto people.
For hardcore consistency.
yeah. Okay. And the zone, if we talk about the zone of rich people, the children of rich people, the society of rich people, as we study, we talked about that we teach our children that how to achieve your goal, how to live your life, not only how to face the life. Thank you very much.
And here, parents teach how to make bati chokha. By litti chokha, right? No, that's important.
Good morning, sir. So, GK has said that our family pressurizes us that we have to do what they want. No, sir, I completely denied that they don't want to. Don't want that. What they want, we have to do that. Not like that. But they teach us like you have to do that because we didn't achieve that. Because we know the value of that thing. So that's why you have to achieve that, and you have to be kind, you have to be polite, you have to know the manner as well. Then the luxurious people don't know the manner, that kind of thing. So you have to know the manner, you have to know the etiquettes, all these things.
Okay,
they don't pressure on us. And again he said that widow is increasing day by day just because of common people, not like that, just because of luxurious people. Because they already told that they can remarry. So just because of them, it is day by day increasing. Right? Widow.
My brother Dipanjan
And-
said that manners of. You wanna speak more?
Yeah, you speak that.
As he said about manners, tell me that how many times have you seen that rich people are going to enjoy in the forest and they are spreading, they are disseminating the plastics and all? How many times have you seen?
Can you please tell me when?
When? Every night.
I am telling you something. can you please tell me in a restaurant or a hotel, like there are so many common people, like a waiter.
Yes.
The luxurious people treat them like a dog or animal. They don't give the respect that, as well. If they did some kind of wrong things, they don't even respect them actually.
Okay, first of all, I
They do like this.
Deny
Yes,
the point.
what did you happen?
You're talking
Should not
hell, yeah, nonsense you are talking. How can you say that we don't respect? We don't have
Definitely
manners?
they do, sir. In restaurant, we always see that, sir.
Even we have,
If they
even
did
my
something
brother,
wrong,
even we have become rich because of our communication skill. That is
not
also
like
very
that.
important.
No.
Okay.
You have
We
something
know that
savings,
how-
or you have the background. Sorry, yes, misbehave.
Newly, common person become that.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe they don't have manners.
Sometimes in restaurant, in hotel,
And the common people will be common people.
road as well. In road as well, the common people, they are treating like a. So, but sometimes it happens. That's why I'm telling. No,
About common people, they used to give galis and all, sir. Common people.
no, sir. What kind of things you are saying, sir? Common people doesn't mean we are not educated. We are not educated. Common people doesn't mean we are not educated, and doesn't mean we don't have money as well.